This series was never meant to persuade everyone. It was meant to be complete. What you have seen is not ideology. It is not activism, it is not optimism. It is a system. Every assumption was tested. Every number was bounded. Every solution was constrained by land, labor, time, and cost. Nothing here requires belief, only execution. Earth restoration is not a future concept. It is a present obligation. The planet does not negotiate. Physics does not compromise. Biology does not wait. What we do next determines what remains possible. This work was structured deliberately. First, the problem was defined. Then the limits were shown. Then the solutions were calculated. Finally, the timeline was fixed. There is no missing chapter. There is no hidden dependency. If action begins, the system stabilizes. If it does not, collapse accelerates. This is not a moral judgment. It is a mechanical outcome. The reason this series exists is not because the answers were unknown. It exists because coordination was absent. Earth does not need heroes, it needs alignment. Governments do not need new ideas. They need executable ones. Individuals do not need guilt. They need clarity. This is that clarity. Everything required to begin already exists on this planet. Land.plants, people.capital, technology. What has been missing is the decision to act at scale. That decision does not belong to any single institution. It belongs to civilization. This series ends here because the work does not. From this point forward, there is only implementation, measurement, and adjustment. Earth restoration is no longer theoretical. It is operational.